This video shows how to use Excel to find the p-value for a hypothesis test using two samples, but not paired data. Of course, you'll have the statement of the problem, your data in two columns. Click on the Data tab, Data Analysis. Scroll down till you find a t-test for two samples, assuming equal variances. You're going to input the location of your data. Just click and drag over both columns. Your hypothesized mean difference, always 0. Alpha, the level of significance, you can change that 0.01, 0.05, whatever you need. And give the location of some empty cell for your output range. At the top, you can grab those bars, spread out the columns. This problem was asking to test that the average contributions to charity has decreased. That means that we're looking for the p-value of a one-tailed test. Or if the question was, did the contributions to charity increase? Also a one-tailed test. You would only look for the p-value of a two-tailed test if the question was to test if the average contribution to charity has changed, either more or less. But in this case, a one-tailed test. So here's our p-value, 0.2858, 19862. Here's your p-value.